This place is amazing. It's like Disney. You get a chance to see all these different, from teepees to yurts to tiny houses, and the technical information about the business side, it's like drinking from a fire hydrant. It's really, really good. It gives you so much to think about.
It's been great coming here and seeing all the options and all the different things that we could get into and all the different people that we've met here.
Whether you are new to the glamping industry or an established operator looking to elevate your campsite, Glamping Show Americas on September 30th and October 1st near Denver, Colorado is your destination to learn from outdoor hospitality industry experts and find the most comprehensive collection of glamping structures, products, and services. It's everything you need to create an unforgettable experience for your guests.
So I think it's a really great meeting of the minds here, and then a safe space to ask questions and get help and be there for one another.
It's also the only place that you can see all these structures in one location, walk in them, walk on the stairs, see the decks, see the domes, see the wagons. Like, it's just unparalleled, right? You can go to one showroom and spend a whole weekend just looking at one place, or you can come to the glamping show and see 100 different types of structures all in one day.
Our conference program promises all new insights and instruction on many aspects of the glamping business: marketing strategies, operational excellence, harnessing technology, leveraging trends, securing funding, and so much more to propel your glamping venture forward.
All the information you would need here in one location makes it so much easier. I love the quality of the speakers that we've had. They've touched on points, that we didn't think about. They've been very personal and approachable after the event to talk to as well.
So I didn't know what I didn't know. Like, worlds have opened up, and it's really exciting.
Glamping Show Americas, you are not only gaining valuable expertise and unprecedented exposure to suppliers, you are also engaging one-on-one with other operators from around the world.
We've been coming to the Glamping Show since its inception and have just connected with so many wonderful people, and to us, the spirit of glamping is really the people behind it and what they have to share with guests.
Yeah, come with an open mind, meet a lot of people. You're going to learn so much about this industry in a short period of time. You're gonna make friends and build relationships that are gonna sustain you. I've met people who came here last year and now they're making six figures.
Join us September 30th and October 1st near Denver, Colorado for this incredible opportunity to learn, connect, and explore the business of luxury camping. We can't wait to see you.
It was amazing experience. I highly recommend it.